In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then scroll down and click on Privacy section over here. Now select Permission Manager and tap on any feature you wish to manage, like for example camera. Following that, select any app you wish to manage. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed section, and apply any of those by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with this first option, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can also select any feature, click on an app you wish to manage, and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!